In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubspot CRM, a beginner-friendly tutorial designed to get you up and running with this powerful tool in just 5 minutes. If you're new to HubSpot, don't worry, this guide will walk you through the essentials step by step. First, let's get started by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. This will take you to the starting point of this journey, where you can access a suite of tools tailored to fostering the growth of your business. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log in. In the top right corner, you'll see the Login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you haven't created an account yet, be sure to sign up. Registration is straightforward and quick. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is your central hub where you can access all the functionalities HubSpot offers. Bookmark this page as you'll likely return to it frequently. Now let's focus on getting to the CRM. Once on the HubSpot homepage, find and click on the CRM link. This area is where you can manage interactions with your customers and is the backbone of your business operations in HubSpot. At this point, you may need to set up your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your CRM settings. These settings help personalize your HubSpot experience and ensure the platform works best for your specific business needs. With your account set up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the HubSpot dashboard. This dashboard offers a comprehensive overview of your CRM setup and is designed to be intuitive, so don't hesitate to explore the various sections and tools available to you. Next, you'll want to explore the Contacts section. Click on Contacts to view and manage your list of clients, leads, and partners. Here, you can add new contacts, organize existing ones, and tailor this list to better fit your business processes. Adjacent to Contacts is the Companies section. Clicking on this will give you access to the organizations you're dealing with. HubSpot allows you to link contacts with their respective companies, which provides a clear understanding of how interconnected your customer base is. Move over to the Deals option. This area is crucial for tracking potential sales and business opportunities. Keep an eye on these deals to monitor and strategize your conversion efforts effectively. Lastly, don't forget about the Tickets section. Click on Tickets to manage customer service interactions. Effective ticket management ensures your customer satisfaction remains high, resolving any problems quickly and efficiently. And there you have it, a quick guide to help you navigate HubSpot CRM like a pro. Explore these features and remember that regular use will help you master this tool quickly. Thank you for watching and enjoy making the most out of HubSpot CRM.